The Constitutional Court dismissed the impeachment of Prime Minister Han Duck-soo. After 87 days, Han has immediately returned to his duties as acting president and prime minister.
The Constitutional Court has dismissed the impeachment of Prime Minister Han Duck-soo. 5 of the 8 justices voted to dismiss the motion. 1 voted to impeach him, 2 voted to reject the motion entirely. However, 4 of the 5 justices voting to dismiss the impeachment acknowledged that Han's decision to defer the appointment of additional Constitutional Court justices was in violation of the law and the Constitution. They said that the violations were not serious enough to remove him from office, adding there is no evidence showing his intention to paralyze the court. Han was cleared of the accusations that he had colluded in President Yoon Suk-yeol's declaration of emergency martial law. The court found no evidence that Han actively sought to legitimize the emergency martial law, such as by recommending a cabinet meeting. As the only one voting to uphold Han's impeachment, Justice Chung Ye-sun called for his dismissal from office, saying he violated the constitution and law by refusing to promptly request candidate recommendations for an independent council tasked with looking into insurrection charges against the president. The court did not accept Han's claim that as he was acting president, the National Assembly needed at least 200 votes to pass the impeachment motion against him, a quorum applied to a president, not to a prime minister. However, Justice Chung Young-sik and Cho Han-chang voted to reject the impeachment entirely, arguing that impeachment for an acting president should follow the quorum requirements for a president. The court did not deliver a separate ruling on whether or not the declaration of emergency martial law was unconstitutional itself, which is also a key issue in the impeachment trial against President Yoon. Han immediately returned to his duties as acting president.
이제는 좌우는 없다고 저는 생각합니다. 오로지 우리나라가 위로, 앞으로 발전하는 것이 정말 중요한 우리의 과제다.
The People Power Party said the ruling reaffirms that the parliamentary impeachment motion against Han was a politically motivated move by the opposition bloc. The Democratic Party said the verdict clearly shows Han's refusal to appoint Constitutional Court justices was unconstitutional.